If you need to transfer a domain away from GoDaddy, the first thing you'll need is your authorization code, also called an EPP code. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find your GoDaddy authorization code step by step, so you can get it quickly and continue with your domain transfer without confusion. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, sign in to your GoDaddy account. Once you're logged in, go to My Products. This is where GoDaddy keeps your domains, hosting, and other services all in one place. From there, look for the Domains section and click on the domain you want to transfer. Make sure you choose the correct domain, especially if you manage more than one, because each domain has its own settings and its own authorization code. After you open the domain, you'll be taken to that domain's management page. Now scroll down until you find Domain Settings. This section contains important controls for things like renewal, privacy, and transfer options. Under Domain Settings, look for Additional Settings. This is where GoDaddy places some of the more advanced actions, including the option to begin a domain transfer. Next, click Transfer to another registrar. This tells GoDaddy that you want to move the domain to a different domain provider. After clicking that option, you should see the choice to Email my code or Get authorization code. Click that button to request the code. In many cases, GoDaddy will send the authorization code directly to the email address associated with your account, so this step helps keep the transfer secure. Now, open your email inbox and look for a message from GoDaddy. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folder as well, just in case the email was filtered there. Inside that email, you'll find your authorization code, sometimes labeled as an EPP code. Copy it carefully because you'll need to paste that exact code into your new registrar's transfer form. That's really all there is to it. Once you have the authorization code, you're ready to continue your domain transfer process. Just remember to keep it secure and only share it with the registrar you trust to complete the transfer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a simple guide like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.